Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action, Episode 1. Featuring my Notifier voice evacuation system, I currently have my Fire Warden 100 fire alarm control / communicator fire alarm control panel. Right next to that I have my Notifier Fire Voice 2550 voice evacuation system. Underneath that I have this Potter power supply unit, currently not connected to anything at the moment. For the devices, I have 4 Notifier NP-100 smoke detectors. These are all photoelectric and addressable. This one has a newer style base. To the left of those, I have 1 Notifier NH-100 heat detector. And then I have this Notifier NC-100 control module. You'll see what this is for in a moment. I have this system sensor dual speaker strobe. This is for mass notification and also fire alarm events. The model of the speaker is SPSW, and the model of the expander plate is model SEP-SPSW. Underneath that, I have a monitor module connected to this Notifier BNG-1R pulse station. Underneath that, I have a system sensor duct detector key switch. The LED is currently not hooked up at the moment. Then below this monitor module, I have 1 Notifier NOT BG12LX addressable pulse station. And then I have another monitor module, and that's connected to this STI lockdown push station. So to get the test started, I'm going to go ahead and put the system in walk test, silent walk test, and we'll go from there. Enter in the user code. Okay, now we're in walk test. Almost. Walk test. Silent. We'll go ahead and test everything on the system, starting out with the detectors. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put the magnet back on the side of the panel, and we'll start testing pulse stations here, starting off with the Notifier BNG-1R. And as soon as that LED goes out, we'll go ahead and test the key switch. And the Notifier addressable pulse station. Go ahead and key operate it. And the lockdown push station. Alright, so now what we can go ahead and do is we can escape out of walk test until we get system normal. And we'll wait for that to initialize, and in the meantime we'll go ahead and make an announcement that we're going to be testing the fire alarm system. Now, since this is just a demonstration system, it doesn't really matter. I still do it anyway because that's what we do on a real inspection. So as soon as this goes to system normal, I'll go ahead and make that announcement. We'll test the system. Alright, go ahead, I'll grab the mic here. We'll make our announcement. May I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? We will be testing the fire alarm system in the next couple minutes. There is no need to evacuate. I repeat, we will be testing the fire alarm system in the next couple minutes. There is no need to evacuate. Thank you. Replace the mic. turn off the all call button, and close this for now, and we'll go ahead and pull the fire alarm.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities. May I have your attention, please?
Okay, alarm silence. Go ahead and reset the pull station. And we'll go ahead and reset the panel. Let that initialize. Make sure we get system normal. And then after that, we'll go ahead and test the other part of the system, which will be the mass notification system. And then we'll make our all clear announcement. Give that a second here before we hit the lockdown button. Let it initialize a little more. Okay, that should be good. Now we can go ahead and activate this lockdown push station.
May I have your attention, please? The building is in a lockdown condition. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. May I have your attention, please? The building is in a lockdown condition. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. May I have your attention, please? The building is in a lockdown condition. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown.
Now I have the system programmed to only do the voice 3 times and then turn off automatically. So what we can do now is we can acknowledge the system, and we'll go ahead and reset the test station or the push station here by simply turning the button, and we can go ahead and reset the fire panel. Now the control module clicked off. Took it a little while because it's kind of like a network system in a way, but give this a second here. But yeah, this is what this control module is for, is it activates the amber strobe and also the emergency lockdown message that I have programmed on this panel. So that's what that's for. So we'll go ahead, system normal, go ahead and make our all clear announcement. May I have your attention, please? That concludes the test of the fire alarm system. You may return to all normal activities. Once again, that was the test of the fire alarm system. You may return to all normal activities. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.